Welcome to Beautiful Home Design Ideas. Have you been dreaming of transforming your outdoor space into a serene escape or an entertaining haven? Whether it's coffee at sunrise, wine under the stars, or weekend gatherings with loved ones, a beautiful pergola can completely revive your backyard. In today's video, we're diving into stunning pergola ideas that blend style, function, and that irresistible wow factor. From sleek steel structures to cozy backyard bars, we're sharing inspiration that will make you want to step outside and never come back in. So grab your favorite drink, sit back, and let's explore how you can elevate your outdoor lifestyle, one pergola at a time. Let's start with one of the most striking styles, a steel and wood pergola. This design blends the clean, industrial edge of black powder-coated steel with the natural charm of warm wood beams. It's sleek, it's modern, and it adds instant sophistication to any backyard. This look works beautifully in contemporary homes, especially when you pair it with minimalist outdoor furniture and greenery for contrast. Think oversized planters, climbing vines like jasmine or wisteria, and a geometric outdoor rug to ground the space. Want to take it even further? Add a hanging egg chair or a streamlined fire table beneath for that luxurious resort-like finish. Steel and wood pergolas are also incredibly durable, standing up to the elements with style and grace. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or relaxing with a good book, this pergola is a bold, timeless choice. There's something magical about gathering around a fire, add a pergola overhead, and you've created the ultimate cozy sanctuary. A pergola over a fire pit isn't just functional, it's an aesthetic dream. Choose a design that feels rustic and grounded, maybe a chunky cedar pergola with exposed hardware, or go for something more refined with a sleek slatted roof. String up Edison bulbs or hang lanterns for that soft, romantic glow. Surround the fire pit with deep seating, think oversized cushions, weather-resistant throws, and textured pillows in earthy tones. This setup encourages long conversations and quiet moments alike. It's perfect for fall nights, marshmallow roasting with the kids, or simply unwinding under the stars after a long day. And with the pergola framing the fire pit area, it adds definition and elegance to your backyard layout. Now for something a little bolder, the industrial-style pergola. Think steel frames, exposed bolts, and reclaimed wood beams that give your backyard a trendy, urban vibe. This look is all about contrast, pairing the roughness of raw materials with cozy touches like Edison bulb lighting, charcoal gray outdoor sofas, and textured pillows in leather or canvas. Use concrete planters with ornamental grasses or succulents to maintain the rugged aesthetic. Want to go a step further? Incorporate a corrugated metal roof or sliding barn-style privacy panels. You'll have a dramatic pergola design that looks straight out of a Brooklyn rooftop bar, and it's right in your own backyard. By the way, if you're enjoying these ideas, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Like this video and leave a comment to tell us which pergola idea is your favorite so far. We love hearing from you, and your support helps us bring even more design inspiration your way. Want your backyard to feel like a private, breezy retreat? Add outdoor curtains to your pergola. It's a simple upgrade with a dramatic payoff. Outdoor curtains offer sun protection, wind resistance, and privacy, all while bringing a soft, flowing element to the structure. Go for sheer white panels for that airy, Mediterranean vibe, or choose heavier neutral fabrics for a cozy cabana feel. You can tie them back with rope, leather straps, or decorative clips when not in use. This style is ideal for poolside lounges, garden reading nooks, or even your morning yoga space. To amplify the vacation feel, add a daybed, rattan furniture, or a hammock beneath the pergola. You'll feel like you've escaped to a boutique resort without ever leaving your backyard. Finally, let's talk about attached pergolas, which are built directly onto the side of your home, usually extending off a back door, patio, or deck. This type of pergola creates a seamless transition from your indoor space to your outdoor living area. It's perfect for dining al fresco, hosting parties, or simply extending your square footage with style. You can customize the size, materials, and roofing to match your home's exterior, whether that's wood beams for a farmhouse feel or a slatted aluminum roof for something sleek and modern. Add an pendant light or chandelier for ambience, and consider a built-in grill or pizza oven nearby to complete the outdoor kitchen vibe. With this pergola, you're not just stepping outside, you're stepping into a curated, elevated lifestyle space that enhances your home's value and charm. Plus, because it's attached, it offers more structural stability and can be easier to wire for lighting or fans. First up, let's talk alfresco dining, because what's better than a gorgeous evening spent eating under the stars? Picture this, a sleek wooden pergola with string lights delicately draped overhead, casting a golden glow over a rustic farmhouse-style table. Pair it with linen tablecloths, woven lanterns, and potted herbs scattered along the center. The pergola frames your dining area like a dreamy outdoor room, perfect for dinner parties, Sunday brunches, or quiet candlelit evenings. Add outdoor-friendly drapery that can be pulled closed on windy nights, and you've just created a romantic dining retreat with restaurant-worthy ambience. It's all about making your backyard feel like a five-star escape without leaving home. If your style leans towards simplicity and intentional design, the minimalist pergola might be your perfect match. Think crisp geometric lines in natural wood or black powder-coated metal. No ornate flourishes, just streamlined beauty that makes a subtle yet striking statement. Underneath, lay a concrete slab or sleek outdoor tile flooring, add a pair of mid-century lounge chairs, a fire pit, and you're set for serene evenings with a glass of wine and your favorite book. This layout works beautifully in smaller yards or patios where every element needs to pull double duty, style and function. Less clutter, more calm. It's a space that feels clean, modern, and effortlessly chic. Before we dive into the next two styles, take a moment to subscribe if you haven't already. It helps support this channel and lets us keep creating more inspiring content just like this. Don't forget to like the video if you're feeling inspired, and leave us a comment telling us which pergola style speaks to you most. Now let's head into tropical territory. This idea is all about transforming your outdoor space into a functional and stylish entertainment zone. A pergola creates a defined area for your bar setup, offering shade by day and a cozy atmosphere at night. Add bar height stools, a mini fridge or wine cooler, and a sleek counter for drinks and snacks. Incorporate materials like stone, reclaimed wood, or even tile for that luxe bar vibe. You can even add a built-in sound system or install a TV for watching games or movies al fresco. This isn't just a pergola, it's your new favorite hangout spot. Your neighbors will definitely want an invite. Step into vacation mode with a tropical pergola design that instantly transports you to a breezy island getaway. Choose a thatched roof or slatted bamboo top for a sun-dappled effect, and use rich teak or mahogany for the frame. Add in large leafy plants, banana palms, monstera, or ferns, and string up lanterns or fairy lights for that enchanting glow as the sun sets. Complete the look with outdoor wicker furniture topped with bright cushions in emerald, coral, or ocean blue. Maybe even a hammock chair or a cascading water feature to enhance that spa-like ambience. This is barefoot luxury at its finest, a slice of paradise in your own backyard. For our final idea, we're leaning into the romantic, storybook charm of wood and ivy. This pergola style thrives on character. Use natural or whitewashed wood beams and allow nature to do the rest. Plant climbing ivy, flowering wisteria, or fragrant jasmine at the base and watch as they slowly curl their way up, creating a lush canopy of greenery overhead. Underneath, opt for vintage-inspired furniture like wrought iron benches or a bistro set, and add details like lanterns, bird cages, or hanging planters. This setup is perfect for afternoon tea, journaling sessions, or simply soaking up the beauty of a garden in full bloom. It's whimsical, it's romantic, and it feels like a secret escape tucked into your own backyard. And just like that, your outdoor living space is no longer just a backyard, it's a destination. Whether you love the bold statement of steel and wood, the fun of a backyard bar, or the tranquility of a curtain-draped pergola, these ideas are here to inspire and ignite your creativity. With the right design, your pergola becomes more than shade. It becomes a place for connection, comfort, and unforgettable moments. If you found inspiration today, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment below with your favorite pergola idea or how you plan to style yours. Until next time, step outside, breathe deep, and enjoy the beauty of outdoor living.